Welcome to Simple Trips. Our journey begins at Chennai International Airport as we fly to Tuticorin Airport, the gateway to southern Tamil Nadu. The direct flight takes around 1 hour and 40 minutes, making it one of the fastest ways to reach Tirunelveli and Courtallam. Airfares vary depending on when you book, so it's worth reserving your tickets early for better prices. As the aircraft takes off from Chennai, you'll enjoy beautiful aerial views of the salt pans, farmlands, and the city's coastline and the Bay of Bengal. After landing at the modern Tuticorin Airport, our road trip begins. From here, we'll travel through Tirunelveli district to Courtallam, then continue to Kanyakumari and finally to the capital city of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. During this journey, we'll stay in 3 different hotels, from a budget-friendly resort to a premium 5-star boutique hotel, and I'll honestly share which one offers the best value for your money. Our first stop was Courtallam, famous for its waterfalls. We stayed at 5 Falls Resort, located only about 5 minutes walk from the beautiful 5 Falls. The location is definitely the biggest advantage. You don't need to drive or search for parking every time you want to visit the falls. The resort offers spacious suite rooms with mountain views and a balcony, making it a peaceful place to relax after a long day. Breakfast included traditional South Indian dishes, and the restaurant also serves vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. However, our experience the room service was quite slow, and there were only a few staff members available. Since the resort is close to the forest, monkeys often visit the property, so guests should keep doors and windows closed. Another thing to note is that mobile network coverage is limited, and during our stay BSNL worked better than other networks. Overall, if your priority is staying close to 5 Falls, this resort is a convenient option. Our next destination was India's southern tip, Kanyakumari. We stayed at Hotel Samudra, one of the popular choices for tourists visiting the Vivekananda Rock Memorial and the famous sunrise viewpoint. The best part about staying here is the location. Many of Kanyakumari's major attractions are within walking distance. Watching the sunrise and sunset becomes incredibly convenient without needing additional transport. The hotel provides comfortable rooms and a relaxing environment after a busy day exploring. If you're planning to visit the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Thiruvalluvar statue, Bhagavathi Amman Temple or the local markets, this hotel makes an excellent base. For families and first-time visitors, location is truly the biggest advantage. Our final stay was at Hycinth Hotel in Thiruvananthapuram. This premium 5-star boutique hotel offered the most luxurious experience during our trip. The rooms were spacious, modern, and beautifully maintained, featuring comfortable beds, wooden flooring, and a stylish bathroom. Breakfast included a delicious selection of South Indian dishes, and both the restaurant staff and room service were excellent. The hotel is located near Thampanur, making it convenient to visit famous attractions like Achukal Bhagavatha Temple and the Sree Padmanabhaswamy Temple. If you're looking for comfort, cleanliness, and professional service, Hycinth Hotel certainly stands out. So which hotel would I recommend? If you're visiting Courtallam mainly for the waterfalls, 5 Falls Resort offers an unbeatable location. For exploring Kanyakumari comfortably, Hotel Samudra is a practical choice thanks to its proximity to the major attractions. But if you're looking for premium comfort, excellent service, and a relaxing stay in Thiruvananthapuram, Hycinth Hotel is my recommended. Each hotel has its own strengths, and the best choice depends on your travel plans and budget. I hope this room tours helps you plan your next trip. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Simple Trips. See you in the next video.